Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to show your saved password in Chrome on your PC. Sometimes we forget our passwords or need to access them for various reasons. By following these simple steps, you can easily view your saved passwords in Chrome. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Autofill and Passwords in the Settings menu. Step 5. Open Google Password Manager. Step 6. Select the saved password that you wish to view. Step 7. Next to Password, click on Show Password. By following these steps, you can easily reveal your saved password in Chrome on your PC. This can be particularly helpful if you need to retrieve a forgotten password or simply want to view your stored passwords for reference. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.